Global developments likely to impact Sri Lanka. U.S. economy slows in the first quarter of 2023. Global merchandise trade volumes to rise at a below-par rate. India's growth a bright spot in the world economy. The U.S. economy slowed in the first 3 months of the year to 1.1% annualized rate. This is down from 2.6% in the previous quarter. The World Economic Forum reported that during January to March, acceleration in consumer spending was offset by businesses liquidating inventories, in anticipation of weaker demand later this year amid higher borrowing costs. Impact on Sri Lanka. The United States is Sri Lanka's largest export market. In 2020, exports to the world's largest economy were $3.3 billion, with apparel and textiles leading the way. Given the current economic crisis in Sri Lanka, a weakening U.S. economy is a significant concern. According to the World Trade Organization, global merchandise trade volumes will rise by a subpar 1.7% in 2023. It cited transactions being weighed down by the ongoing war in Ukraine, stubbornly high inflation, tighter monetary policy, and financial uncertainty. However, the forecast is higher than the WTO's October estimate for 2023 growth of 1.0%. Impact on Sri Lanka. This is not good news for Sri Lanka, given that it intends to export itself out of its current economic crisis. The nation's limited diversification from major regions, as well as its more commoditized nature of exports, makes it extremely vulnerable to a global slowdown. According to the International Monetary Fund, India is to grow 5.9% in 2023. It noted that the subcontinent nation continues to remain a relative bright spot in the world economy, and will alone contribute 15% of the global growth in 2023. Such growth is considered to be way above global growth in 2023. Impact on Sri Lanka. Accelerated growth in India, now the world's fifth largest economy, as a boon to Sri Lanka. India is Sri Lanka's third largest export market at about $1 billion per annum, and more significantly accounts for about 65–70% of Colombo Port's transshipment volumes. And that's a wrap for this week. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest developments in Sri Lanka. Until next time, have a great day.